Hello everyone, today I'll show you all 2-ingredient beginner-friendly recipes, crepes and waffles, out of store-bought pancake mix. I always associate crepes with fancy French cuisine. It has a reputation for being complicated and error-prone. But today I will show the easiest and most foolproof method to make these delicacies. It goes very well with just about anything. For the crepe recipe, you'll need 1 cup of pancake mix and 1 cup of water. Personally, I'm using Nutella and strawberries to complement this. So you'll take the mix and pour it into the water, and then you will mix. Mix them thoroughly until you get this consistency, and whisk until there are no lumps left in the batter. Crepes are made from an extremely thin batter, so it's very important that you keep this consistency. So you'll heat a small, non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat until it's hot. The size of your pan will be the size of your finished crepes, so keep that in mind. Pour a small amount of batter in the side of the pan and tilt it in order to make a round shape. When the crepe browns at the edges, flip them over and cook for another 30 seconds. You can poke the edges in order to test if the crepes are done yet. Then, fold the crepes into folds. Now you have one dish done. For the second one, you'll need the same 2 ingredients, but instead of 1 cup of water, you'll use 3/4 cup with 1 cup of pancake mix. Mix both of these ingredients thoroughly. Use a brush to oil the griddle. Pour the mix into the griddle. Once they look brown on the edges, flip them over. After 30 seconds of flipping, this should be done. And that's it, you're done with your second dish. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this recipe, and I hope to see you in the next video.